it's a team effort. It's always like this, I call it the three-legged stool, the clients, the contractor, and us. We try to work together as a team sort of from the get-go to make the most awesome product we can. And everybody who comes to us is usually interested in this sort of thing. They're here because they want a house like this, which makes our lives easier, and everyone's on the same page. And I like to say that, our job sites are fun. Not 100% of the time, because construction is stressful and money's stressful, but we want our job sites to be fun. And when everyone's on the same team, the same page, and has a high level of trust, that happens. One thing that I know for sure, working in this industry for 35 years and only in the sustainable industry for 20 plus years, is that if you have contractors who are interested in building this way, they are sincere and earnest people. And as are we, the architects. It takes a special breed to build with this sort of care. We're building something that's really meant to last and do something good for the earth. And when you get that group of people together, you save, weirdly, a lot of money because you're building this amazing product that's going to last a really long time with a ton of care.